Who is this person? What's her real name?
Doesn't matter. Once I'm done with that no-neck bitch, she won't even exist.
I'm serious. They got like 220 responses. Why does every woman think that she can change a guy? Let's just say it'd be a match frowned upon by the gods. Guys, if we run away like babies, we'll definitely be questioned.
Maybe you did, sweetie. People make up. They backslide.
The only way to do that is to die young, leave a beautiful corpse. It's immortality, my darlings. Never look back, Hannah. Something might be gaining on you. You don't have to play the game to be interested. That's why your secrets are all so safe with me. Of course I did. I mean, we could. But I have a better idea. I mean, who knows what he does in the laundry, that little freak? I gotta go. My friend's here. Which friend? I don't know. You better keep your mouth shut.